Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.
And woe unto you if your leader is only knowledgeable but not having a good heart. Why did the man push himself to the extent that he will let people do a double track so that everybody can have access? Mikaida mi wife Okasano na doctor na say no send na nematino anka munya bote na go say hey doctor na odi nitino na wo ni bia me fa answer na wanya kumisa kunu kama sa wo ni bia me ko fa na wo bre wo bia onyi no hu nyamara no siminya bote. I say no, this is a serious matter because the 3 years of education is what can make the difference between a hustler who is a problem unto himself and society and a gentleman who is the fate and the destiny of his country. Now, Monsieur Mamibiwo Alisa, say between now and the election, it's not about what you can do, it's all about testimonies. Even Bible, New Testament, Cracker say, make room for testimonies. For in testimonies, others will be encouraged to keep the faith. And they say, may say, Nano John Romani man say, corporate taxes from 25 to 5%. Hey, any alabi na kasao. Now we do now 8 years. Sebi, condom cry be more prevent years. And no cry tax ben. Yesu sa bra kwa me usu champion bi. Until they tax every condoms. In closing the fiscal gap, Sebi taxes went everywhere. They even got to the bedroom. We know you. We know you. So we are feeding and standing on the testimonies of Akufo-Addo and his government, not the intentions of this government. Anything that I choose JM many G because Alabi Bayanka, you have to give a man the benefit of the doubt to speak about his intentions. Now, Sebi Oba wa warida unfortunately ni kumre filmu no. Unim say okọ wari mu ayenim suba obededi. Ragami. Mahama is not a bride who is about to go into marriage. Mahama is like a widow who has lived through marriage before. We know him. Akufo-Addo too has been married for 3.5 years. Ghana wari no. Yenim suba wa wari mu. Enti omumienu no obia nye bride fufuro ayedi kwa wari mu. And so let's speak to the debate of words, the debate of output, and not the debate of words. We are standing on a record of the two. And I am confident that when we stand on a record of the two, the people in Lejokuku, those in Wale, the man who was flown a blood product through the air using the zip line. Look, you see incompetence. I will be so hard. I know yeshi. But for close to 8 years, Okoboy, me wa Chebino utimi call NHI office. Line ya saw before 4 a.m., 5 a.m. And yes, more. They are coming to renew their cards.
Are they?
Just renew NHI card. It took a code *929#. Now you can't computers. I'll be say, this is what competence can do. It took the texting of a code for all these people to stay in their bedrooms and renew their card. There is a difference between the NDC and the MPP. Given the same resources, one can maximize and optimize the value. And that is what we are speaking about. A draw with Aji Abrakwami, a draw with Aji Okoboy, Aji Sinaprat, Aji Chairman, Sifakan, a draw a Joe Abrakwami, and I become me can't manifesto me can't cry for health. Me final words and say a draw a Joe no. I must say Namaba Hono, Brakwami. I will be a cast as a saying Yakupa don't why fine. First now Munye drew. Now your foot said no be two for say Sisa Sani Panompe ye.
Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.